Today is December 21st, 2020. We are still going through the pandemic, but we also wanted the kids to have fun with the snow and feel the holiday spirit, so we decided to take a short trip to Lake Tahoe. It was kind of a long drive and took about 3.5 hours, but my kids didn't mind and they played pretty well in the car. We booked our hotel at Grand Residences by Marriott, which was located within the Heavenly Village. The gondola, ski rentals, restaurants, or coffee shops are all within a minute, so it was very convenient to take out food, and it just removes the hustle to drive around with the two kids.
레이나 벌써 지금 스노우볼 탈 준비가 다 됐는데?
The room was a little pricey and the interior feels a little old, but I would definitely stay here again because of the convenience. After dinner, we went to the rental shop for my toddler. She wanted to try snowboarding this year, so I was like, okay, let's try it. And I used to be a snowboard instructor and I taught several kids in the past, so I thought that teaching Reina would be an easy peasy. The next day, I got the lift tickets and we went up to the mountain. Reina seemed a little tired, but I was just too excited to teach Reina, so we just took the gondola and we went up. After this, I wasn't able to take any videos because Reina was just too tired, and I also made a mistake that I brought her up to the slope instead of playing and making her interested in snowboarding, so I think she was a little scared and overwhelmed by the situation. So long story short, I learned my lesson and we'll try again next time.
Good job.
After we came back to the hotel, we rested a bit and then we headed to the swimming pool. The hotel had a pretty good outdoor pool with 2 large hot tubs. We went there every single day while staying there because Reina really liked it.
What's that?
On the 3rd day, we went snow tubing. We actually came here last year as well, so for Reina it was her 2nd time, and for Leona it was her 1st time. Leona seemed a little scared, but both kids had a great time there. My husband found that there's a short walk to the lake, so we went there to watch the sunset. Unfortunately, we were a little too late, so we missed the sunset, but the lake and the mountain were still so beautiful, and both kids really liked watching the lake and enjoyed counting ducks.
Duck. 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 Papa.
We came back from the trip on Christmas Eve, and it seemed like Santa Claus were here with lots of gifts for our kids.